trying the basic one, which is the Ojilema. Wow.
For the beef rendang, we actually have a touch of garam masala in there. It's a heavier flavor than chicken. As a result, that's why we spice it a little bit more. And it cooks for 4 hours so that it's nice and tender.
What's up, you guys, and welcome to another episode of FoodieMommaPH. And we're currently here at Newton Food Center to try one of the newest Nasi Lemak stalls in the area called OG Lemak, owned by Chef Shen Tan. She's known for her tried and tested recipe of Nasi Lemak since 12 years back. She opened her stall in Maxwell Food Center and now reopening here at Newton. Her Nasi Lemak is very special as it is like nasi kukus type, which is like twice steamed rice. So it's nasi lemak with 11 ingredients. So there's onions, ginger, lemongrass, pandan leaf, coconut milk, fenugreek, and lots more. She has 5 different sets here. There's the crispy thigh chicken set, beef rendang, chicken rendang, and also a vegan set. And there's no pork, no lard, I heard. It's not yet halal, but it's in the process of getting the certificate. So we're gonna try it in a few. I can't wait. Let's go. Alright, so we have here Chef Shen, who's the owner of OG Lemak here at Newton Food Center. So, Chef, can you walk us through all the dishes that you offer here?
Okay, so we have 5 sets here. We have the beef rendang, we have the chicken rendang, we have the OG Lemak, which is the crispy fried chicken, and we have the upgraded, which is the OG Thai, and we have the vegan set, which it has no animal product at all.
Alright, so I'm most interested on trying the basic one, which is the Ojilema.
So it's the boneless chicken thigh that we marinate for 48 hours, which is like a brine marinade, and then we deep fry it. It's a little bit sweeter than what people expect. I think Filipinos actually would enjoy this. Yeah, and we serve it with 2 kinds of chilies. One is the sambal belacan, and one is the vegan sambal tumis. So the sambal belacan is spicier and zingier, and we have the sambal tumis, which is sweeter.
Wow, it's very crunchy, very savory, sweet savory. And I love the contrast that you get from the sambal belacan. Let me just say, it smells different. And the taste, you know that there's seasoning in there, because there are rice that it's just rice and coconut milk. I taste some saltiness in there, like what she said, 11 ingredients in there. It's not too rich, it's not too lemak. I can finish this whole thing by myself, I guess. And the crispy anchovies, done well, really, really crispy. Good start. Let me try the chicken thigh. $7.90. If you're gonna upgrade to chicken thigh, add $2 for the thigh.
Yeah.
Let's try. The moment you chew, and as you keep on chewing, there's more and more flavors that are being released, and it's very, very moist and tender. I'm not sure how you do this. Like, what marinade did you put in this? Can you tell us the secret recipe?
So this is the only thing that we keep a secret. Everything else, even the Nasi Lemak recipe, is actually posted online.
This chicken is very flavorful. Guys, you have to go for this. And the serving is huge. It's very worth it. Let's try with the fried egg.
So this is the Asian style of frying an egg, right? With the crispy, lacy edges. Essentially deep frying.
The only way to go. The
This is
Asian
not a
style.
low calorie option.
I don't mind. This is the only way, guys. Because I love my egg very toasty. Anything toasted. This is really the egg for me. I'll go for the chicken rendang.
So it's not as heavy as the beef rendang. There's more lemongrass in there. Just generally a lighter recipe, more ginger, more garlic. So, and we also use turmeric leaves. So you get that zesty, zingy flavor without being too overwhelming.
Wow. Have you tried a dish called kare kare or caldereta?
Yes.
So the
Caldereta.
gravy is kind of thick and rich, so it reminds me of that gravy. The texture. So good. It's like as rich as butter chicken, but the spices is rendang and it's not overpowering. For first time eating rendang, I think this is a good start. Dairy free.
Yeah.
I just love that. Very coconutty. Now let's go for beef rendang.
For the beef rendang, we actually have a touch of garam masala in there, and we put a lot more chili powder. It's a heavier flavor than chicken. As a result, that's why we spice it a little bit more, and it cooks for 4 hours so that it's nice and tender.
I think people without teeth can easily finish this. It just melts away. Super tender.
So we actually use the beef shin, so there's lots of collagen in there, and we cook it for 4 hours. That's why you get that nice, tender, you know, like thick
Collagenous.
flavor.
Yeah.
Gelatinous flavor in your mouth.
So good. And then next is
The vegan set.
so for people who don't normally eat Nasi Lemak just because it always comes with meat, you will have a choice here. They have a vegan set which has tofu.
Yeah, so we have the grilled tau kwa. Then we have sambal goreng, but sambal goreng is normally has some animal product in there. It has like seafood and stuff like that. This one is completely vegan. It's got tempeh, it's got tau kwa, long beans, chilies, and kaka lime leaves. Then we also have the grilled brinjal. Eggplant is mixed with the chili. All the chili here on the plate is vegan. And instead of having ikan bilis, the crispy anchovies, we have tempeh chips.
I love the natural sweetness of eggplant. Good thing that it's not fried. I mean, it's lesser
evil, you know?
for people who's going for healthier option. So there's tauhu, right?
Tau kwa.
Tokwa.
Tau kwa
Oh,
and
tokwa.
tempeh in the sambal goreng,
So with the tempeh, which is like fermented soybean curd.
which is very Indonesian.
Yeah. Indonesians love tempeh. Tempeh anytime, any day.
Yeah, it's delicious.
This is definitely a lot lighter. It's
Yeah.
tangy.
Yeah.
It's like the tartness that you get from a tomato, but it's actually the kaffir lime leaf.
Yeah, the lima purut.
Really good. So it's a brighter, lighter plate and healthier. Unfortunately, they're not yet halal at the moment, but there's no pork, no lard. So for my Muslim friends, you can go ahead and try this as long as you can. This is in Newton Food Center.
01-16. 16.
So Ojilema, you can search on Instagram, Facebook,
Twitter, TikTok.
and they have their own website as well.
That's right.
Ojilema.com.
Yeah, Chef Shen Tan across everything. Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook.
It's not really super atas. It's maybe in the middle price range type of Nasi Lemak. Not your usual Nasi Lemak, so they use better quality ingredients, better plating, better experience and vibe here at Newton Food Center. Go ahead and try OG Lemak. I'll put all the links in the description box below so you can check them out. And we'll see you on the next episode. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Again, Chef.
Thank you.
Bye from Singapore.